Good evening, Zimbabwe. The Chinese must stay in their lane and respect our people and communities. No foreign pass-by has the right to plant themselves in our politics and lecture Zimbabweans on loyalty. Ndizana pena mashoko buda chitauka panapa aonakirina mjati achiuya panguva achizvialaina nemashoko akataurwa naVBcos anochiwenga kuti hapana eforena achazouya achipinda munyika yeZimbabwe achiti arikuda kuzovakira chakati kana kuzoita chakati, but ari kungopinda kuzoextracta zvinhu zvedu maminerals edu oenda nawo nyika kwake. Ndobva subscriber olike utomba bell icon tipinda panapa paendo akirina mjati amudanyira achiti the arrogance of outsiders trying to posture as defenders of Emmerson Mnangagwa is beyond offensive. It is an insult to a nation that has bled, fought, and survived struggles they will never understand. Zimbabwe's sovereignty is not a prop for political tourists seeking attention. Zimbabweans are done watching guests in our land mistake courtesy for consent. You cannot watch into our national affairs and start labeling citizens as enemies simply because you wanted to embrace power. This is a country of people who carry the scars of real battles, not a stage for foreign loud mouths who think shouting slogans ends them authority. Know the limits, know the boundaries, respect the people whose soil you stand on. Zimbabwe's destiny is shaped by Zimbabweans, full stop. If you are here, stay in your lane, respect the home you walked into, and stop inserting yourself into fights that belong to the citizens of this republic. This nation will not tolerate foreign grandstanding disguised as patriotism. Ask the white farmers, they can lecture you. When a Zimbabwean has had enough, they spit fire and will swallow you whole. Stay in your lane, Mr. Arrivalist. Tomash kwantagwa pangwendo na kirna mchati pina comment section yedu mboza mafunguro enyi matudi amsoro aiwa pe ma views na maonera kirna mchati pina comment section yedu za mafunguro enyi msana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.